everyone, welcome to the Clean Catalog channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to walk through how to edit the table of contents on the home page of your institution's online catalog. You may need to edit a table of contents page if your institution is adding a new policy or revising an existing one. To edit a table of contents page, you will first want to navigate to that page. These pages are often used as your catalog's home page, but if it's an internal page, you will have to navigate there. Using the menu bar at the top, click on Edit. Now you'll be able to add or update the title of the table of contents page and the body text. Scrolling down, you will see different sections of the home page. The title, content, and order of these sections can be edited and rearranged. To add a new page, the page first has to exist in the catalog. You will scroll to the section you want to add it to, select Edit, and find the Open TOC link. Next, type in the page name. The site will auto-populate with pages that match your search. Select the proper page. When you see a number appear in parentheses after the page title, you'll know it's added correctly. You can rearrange these pages within the section or rearrange the sections themselves by clicking and dragging the arrow symbol. Once your changes are complete, select Save at the bottom of the page. That's all for today, but reach out to us if you have any questions about editing or using your new Clean Catalog software. You can also find a link in the description to a step-by-step PDF printout of this tutorial, which you can feel free to send to your faculty and staff.